Alright guys, this is Mike's Railfan Studios, and today we're going to be taking a train ride, and we're here in Baltimore, in the Baltimore and Ohio Railroad Museum, and we're going to be doing a little train ride, so I'm going to go ahead and hop onto the coaches, and let's get the show on the road. Alright guys, so now we're on the train, and it's starting to move. Looks like they were on a local line, and it looks like that we're going through a little bit of some few buildings. So oh, look at that! There's a little like a train mural right there. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and I'll keep you guys updated when we get some new information. Passing through some the chassis system. We got a lot more chassis systems coming up right here. Some chassis system boxcars. Look at all these flight cars right here. It's pretty cool. Grain cars. These are pretty cool freight cars up here. Got a freight down train. Alright, I'll keep you guys updated when we get to another rail line. Alright, we're going under a bridge. I don't think anybody uses this line in quite some time now. Wait, I think this might be the line that actually is a pretty old line. I think we're coming up to a bit of a rail yard, but I'll keep you guys updated. Alright, so it looks like that will be coming up to, I thought this was like a yard, but actually it might be a yard. But this one right here is actually a landfill. Keep you guys updated when we get to the end of this landfill and continue on to some more fascinating sites. Alright guys, so we're now be heading back, and it looks like we're coming up to a few other yards here. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit of some clips on the way back to the yard, and yeah, I'll see you guys when we get back to the yards pretty soon. Nobody else. We got some lava cars. We got a lot of stuff going on over here. The chassis system box car.
Where are you folks from? Well, we're from Frederick, Thurman area. From where? Frederick, Thurman area.
Maryland police.
No, we're from New Mexico.
Got an abandoned yard right here. Abandoned intermodal yard with a little crane on it. So, you guys right there.
I came out here for a conference years ago and wanted to come here and couldn't find time to get here. So we're here for my nephew's wedding, and I told her.
Alright, we're heading back, ladies and gents, to the station in Baltimore. We'll keep you guys updated when we get back to the station.
Here you go. Here's plenty.
All right. All right, the train's starting to slow down just a bit. That car's just waiting. I can get across it.
Thanks, man. And I'm like, oh, you look great.
Alright, well, stay on the train, and we'll go ahead and see you guys when we get to the station. One thing though, there's a chassis system number 3802, and it's a GP-38. Anyways, we'll see you guys when we get to the station.
At 1920, an Ohio Railroad train car. Next we could, people could pay to go inside of it. Look at that Railroad Force with the inside.
Did anybody show up?
Yeah, it's like
Thank you, gentlemen. Have a great day. You as well.
Alright, ladies and gents, that is going to go ahead and wrap up the train ride here in Baltimore, Maryland. If you guys enjoyed, be sure to click the subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. This is Railfan Studios. We're going out. This is Baltimore.